All night. I wanna all night. Say it. I wanna all night.
Good morning. My name is Bree. What's your name? Oh, okay. That's cute. So, y'all, I woke up with a cold. And what's crazy is my friend Bree, she's also sick. She was sick the other day, the day after we got our feet done. So, I don't know, something's going around in the air or whatever the case may be, but honey, I don't like this feeling. Look at us. Sick, but still cute. Hey, y'all. It's 9:45 right now. I'm feeling a little bit better. I'm definitely feeling better than I did earlier. I've been on this couch all day. I'm just on my iPad right now trying to make a business email. Not much is going on this week. I have a cycle bar class on Saturday, so I'm excited for that. But yeah, I'm gonna check out for tonight and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Good morning. Today, I know I look like bloody hell. I'm feeling a little better. I might not sound like it, but I am. Get out my kitchen. It's 9:20. I'm about to make Eli some pancakes, Cinnamon Toast Crunch pancakes. And I'm gonna try and make him an egg. He usually doesn't like eggs, but I'm gonna make him a little omelet or whatever. And some sausage. So let's make it. So that's his breakfast. He got some Cinnamon Toast Crunch pancakes, some syrup, and some beef sausage. Before y'all say anything about that little bit of syrup, he don't like syrup like that, but it's for his pancakes. And also, I didn't make any eggs because I know he's not going to eat them, but bon appetit. I'm editing and I'm not sure what clip I made to introduce these paintings on my wall, but I'm just gonna go ahead and play the montage, and this is the intro to that. So yeah, let's make these.
Yeah. I mean, where the fuck should I really even start? I got hoes that I'm keeping in the dark. I got my niggas cross the street living large. Thinking back to the fact that they dead, thought my raps wasn't facts, so they sat with the bars. I got 2 phones, one need a charge. Yeah, they twins, I could tell they ass apart. I got big packs coming on the way. I got big stacks coming out to save. I got Lil Max with me, he the wave. It's a big gap between us and the game. In the next life, I'm trying to stay paid. When I die, put my money in the When I die, put my money in the grave. I really gotta put a couple niggas in their place. Really just lap every nigga in a race. I really might tap this nigga on my face. Lil CC, let it slap with the bass. I used to save hoes with a mask in a cave. Now I'm like, nah, love, I'm good, go away. Ain't about to die with no money I done gave. I was on top when that shit meant a lot. Still on top, like I'm scared of the drop. Still on top, when these niggas wanna swap. Niggas wanna swap like it's sauce in a box. I don't wanna change cause I'm good where I'm at. Mob tie, so I'm always good where I'm at. Word to Junior, Jazzy, Baby J. Tell them when I die, put my money in the
Couple freakers kill a skull and collect. She fuck a nigga, then she on to the next. Really living large, she ain't all with a Mac. When you niggas think it's small in the mall with a rat. Roll with us if you really wanna get it. Go get a $500,000 in a Sprinter. Phone ringing, bitches know a big triple. I got the hook up and there really no limit. Dead broke is in you nigga DNA. Ricky Smile is indicated with the J.
Look what came in the mail. If you watched my last video, then I told you guys that I had ordered some HelloFresh meals. I had got 5 of them this time, so I'm gonna go ahead and show you which meals I got. It's a pretty big box, so I'm gonna just take everything out and show y'all. So when you first open the box, this is what it looks like. It has the different meals. So I have the creamy Tuscan spaghetti and meatballs, the Southwest beef cavatappi. I don't know how to say that. Cavatappi. I have the bavette steak and sherry salad sauce. And on the back of these, it has the cooking instructions and everything. A little card. I have the bulgogi pork tenderloin. And then I have the fully loaded pork taquitos. Once you get past that, those are your meals. Each bag is a different meal, and they're all labeled. Your meats are always at the bottom on ice. And these are the ice packs. They're frozen still. And these are all the meats. So that's the pork tenderloin, ground pork, ground beef, beef bavette sirloin, and then another pack of ground beef. I finally got the pillow covers in, y'all, and they're so cute. They're like a gold velvet. Hey, Eli. So that's the little theme. It's not exactly how I want it, but it's cozy, it's cute, and it's gonna have to do for now. I do want to get another black pillow to go over here. Excuse the couch, I have to clean it, but... And then I also want to get a ball, like a gold ball. Not a gold ball. I want to get like a green ball kind of pillow where it's like a knot. A green knotted pillow. That's what I want to get to go in front of the white ones. And that'll complete the living room. Over here, my plant isn't looking too good. She's not looking too good. I don't know if she does better outside or inside, or she's not getting enough light over here, but I try and give her light every morning, and she just is droopy as hell.
Come on, girl, tell me what's the deal.
My baby girl. Yes, no, hurt me too good, baby. Oh, I'm so wrapped up in your love, let me go.
I'm gonna close out this portion of today's vlog, and I'll see you guys tomorrow morning. I ended up canceling my cycle board class for the morning only because I have to get my makeup done at 10:15, I think, and my cycle board class ends at 9:45, so it's just not gonna be enough time for me to come back home, take a shower, and then I had like 30 minutes to Spartanburg to go get my makeup done. So I ended up canceling my cycle board class, and I just rebooked it for Sunday, and I'm gonna get my makeup done tomorrow. So I'll see you guys when I get my makeup done tomorrow. Hopefully it's cute. Okay. Good morning, y'all. I'm on my way to get my makeup done right now. I don't know what I'm good at. It's pretty much like a freestyle. So pretty much you don't get to choose your look, but I'm pretty sure you can like work something out, like if you have an event or something. I got on a nice little necklace. We gonna see, so I'll see you guys when I get there, okay? This studio is so cute. Look at the ceiling. And the tree. She said she made everything by hand.
I like you. Won't give a fuck about your boyfriend. Come on, let's link. Can't do what I do. I can beat it up with no hands. Treat you like you monarchy. We can slide out, touch band. Come on, let's link.
I'm back home. The makeup is makeuping. The makeup is definitely out of my comfort zone, but I like it actually. The rhinestones, the dark lips, I like it. These are 2 products I'm using to take the makeup off my face. Alright, y'all. I just took off all my makeup. Skin is skinning, I guess, but I'm gonna go ahead and close this vlog out. I hope you guys enjoyed this one. Go ahead and subscribe, click the like button, leave a comment down below for what you want to see, any advice, anything you would like to say. Sorry this vlog was a little all over the place, but I'm getting it together. I'm getting it. Slowly but surely, I'm learning, so yeah, just stay tuned for the future videos, and I'll see you all next